is one of the best ways to find very hungry cash buyers for your real estate wholesaling business, and how we use this method on a weekly basis to find buyers for deals that we're finding all over the United States. I have literally used this method to finding cash buyers for the last 10 years, and it is a very solid, very useful method when you're looking for cash buyers for your wholesaling business. Method, what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Google, and it's really important to remember this website because it's a very underutilized website by real estate wholesalers, and you can find a ton of cash buyers. So what you're going to want to do is head on over to affordablehousing.com, and I already have Orlando chosen because this is the last market that we found a buyer for using this method. The buyer literally bought a duplex from us and was not worried about signing a $30,000 assignment fee. So what you're going to want to do is just go through all of these listings, and you're going to notice up at the top, the person who has the property listed will also have a phone number. 9 times out of 10, this is going to be the actual landlord or the owner of the property, and all you're going to do is call them or text them and let them know what you're doing. Let them know you are an investor, you buy and sell real estate, and you come across a lot of really good deals all the time. And just ask if they're interested in buying more off-market properties that are discounted in their market. Most of the time they're going to say, yeah, they're interested, and they're going to want your business. So definitely try out this method. It has worked for us for many years, almost over 10 years now. And you can find some really good buyers fast. Now, there are other ways to find buyers. This is not just the only way that we use. There's other more effective methods. But if you are looking for a buyer and you're stuck, get on this website, do the legwork. You can find a buyer pretty quick using this website here. So again, guys, if you guys need anything, shoot me a message. I think we're over 300 students that have gone through our training program to learn how to wholesale real estate and flip land. If you're wanting to learn how to flip land and wholesale houses, you can call or text me anytime. My phone number will be on the screen. Thanks, guys.